Before joining BNI, doing business had to slowly build trust with customers, but the philosophy here makes everything very different. The best thing about BNI is that everyone agrees with the same trust system. There is no need to deliberately talk a few words to know whether each other's things are real or not. Cooperation can be achieved quickly after meeting and talking. The other person says okay, can do it. This kind of tacit understanding is really interesting.
咁其實我哋 BNI 咁多個分會，我喺另一個分會揾到一家朱古力嘅源頭。本身我係同一家攞開，而家原來嗰個源頭都係喺個 BNI 嘅呢個系統裏邊，我就揾到嗰個人。廖香園嗰邊，佢都會俾個機會我去同佢合作到嘅聯成一啲嘅朱古力嘅方向，都係非常之大嘅得益嚟嘅。Give us Skin 呢個出現，因為理念對我嚟講好緊要嘅，即係做品牌嘅就好講理念嘅，所以 Give us Skin 呢樣嘢係若果大家有共同呢個想法、呢個理念嘅話咧，而佢有啲似我以前好中意一套戲嘅 Pay It Forward 呢個套戲。佢係啦，總之付出俾一個人，你幫佢付出去3個人，而大家一齊去做呢件事咧，喺個大家嘅生意上啊各方面咧係非常好嘅得著。呢個如果有一句説話，好多謝真係創辦人。